Right, welcome back. We're playing a different game, Formula 1 Motorsport. We're on the Curly Gaming Grand Prix, alright? So we've got Duff Down 9, we've got SWFC5, we've got Just Hammer 3, we've got Insane Hydro, we've got Woman, we've got Finn P 1, 2, 3, alright? And we're going to see who's the best racer of all time.
Finn P's going to win.
Playing Australia first.
Well, no, stop.
By qualifying lap, guys, this is intense shit, I'm going to get first.
And brake.
Wait, you brake? Mate, I don't brake.
Braking's for
It's a
noobs.
very good start from me, I can't lie.
Oh my god, it's way too laggy for me.
Oh, shut
Oh, you
up.
like it.
No, I've just crashed. Like, just went...
You've already crashed? What a noob.
Yeah, well, because it was a blank screen for me. I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, that one.
I'm having a lap of a lifetime.
I'm not.
Watch it come 20th.
Yeah, I don't think mine's that good.
I probably will come 20th now, but...
Well, you won't, because I'll be behind you. I'm all over the car. Oh my god, I can't. It's just...
Dude, why don't you just get a monitor? Instead of playing on your laptop all the time.
You're playing on your laptop?
He's
Yeah,
playing
I
on his
know.
laptop screen.
I wasn't...
Got a corner.
You're playing
Oh,
on
yeah.
your laptop?
I've biffed
Oh
it.
my
Yeah.
god.
I'm just last. Got a corner. You don't.
Oh, yeah, you're DNF though.
That's a very good lap from me so far.
I thought you said you were going to finish. I was like, what the fuck?
I ain't finished yet, Samuel.
I wasn't talking about you anyway.
I am now.
You went,
I'm actually finished.
Ah,
oh, Gav
I'm
is disqualified. Good.
I'm disqualified? Why?
that was a very strong qualifying session, guys.
That's me.
Drop.
Oh my
Alright,
god.
race day 15 laps, Australia, let's do this, man.
Brum brum. And I'm on the highway.
Great
Why
start.
am I not going? Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
Josh
Oh,
is
Finn!
dead.
Yes, okay.
Oh my god, what's Josh
Wait,
done?
what? What's happened to
Oh
my
my
car?
God.
Why am I
Josh,
going?
what have you just done? The safety car's
I've
already
got a
out.
safety car.
What the fuck? Oh, why the fuck? Oh, fuck it.
Will, what are you doing?
Why is there a
man?
safety
I've been
car?
told to get back to
What?
my position.
Yeah, so have I.
Hand position
Safety
back.
car.
I've been disqualified.
Oops, in a video.
What?
What is this?
Oh, yeah, we need to restart.
Oh, I'm
Yeah, we
going
actually
off.
do.
I'm going off. I can't be bothered.
No, Joe. Joe,
I
no.
can't. I've been disqualified for doing absolutely
Yeah, restart, let's
nothing
restart, let's restart. These rules are weird.
Oh, yeah,
like
Take contact off.
Guys, round 2.
That's not
Actually,
anyway.
Technical
that is.
issues. Yeah, well, first was going in. It's class.
Quality contact.
Finn P's left because he couldn't hack it. Qualifying, guys, come on. Game is called Train
Sam, what's the
Simulator.
best cut of steak?
Oh yeah, we were discussing.
Fill
It's
it, why?
ribeye.
Philly.
Oh.
Oh, that's what I'm having.
It's never been fillet.
It is. That's most expensive. It's personal preference, but the
Most
is
expensive.
fillet.
Oh, sorry, push cunt.
It's a bit against
Yeah,
it.
because they were like, the more fat it has, the more expensive.
No, that's
Really?
what
Who
Josh
said
said. I
that?
didn't say that.
That's what Finn P
I didn't
said.
say that. That's what Josh
That's
said.
what I said.
Spazzy
to
cunt.
Yeah, but the guy's playing on a laptop. Are you actually listening to him?
He thought it'd be okay.
Ah, crap.
Please say
Oh,
off the
that
track,
is
son.
stinky corner.
Yeah, I really did, man. You might be
I've had a
there.
very good lap. I might be first. No one else.
No!
Sam's just beat me.
Oh, you fucker.
Sam,
How, Will? All you have to do is go
I'm
round the track.
19. Are you joking? I finished him.
Got a little second again. Hopefully, people don't crash into me
Okay, no, you're
again.
good at it. That's why you will like,
Joker.
engage it and then just let go of it when you start.
Why is
Shit.
Josh?
Where's he gone?
How did Josh go?
Jesus Christ, don't die, Sam.
What's that? Am I disqualified? Oh my fucking god.
Oh my
Are you
god.
disqualified?
Oh.
It's because Sam's doing these bullshit fucking start things. They don't make sense.
Before you dumb shit.
Oh my god, they don't make fucking sense.
You know you're able to drive.
Why have you done it? It don't make fucking sense.
You know you're able to drive. Just like
Why can't you just do a normal start like a normal fucker?
Josh, have you actually been
tells you how
disqualified?
to do it.
Yes!
Well, spectate me then for the video.
Nah, I'm playing next race.
It just said we're
Yeah.
approaching the pit window. Do I go in?
Next
after
race,
this
I'm going to
lap?
win it, Alfie. That's content.
Yeah, that means.
If I get disqualified next race, I will actually kill myself.
It's not.
I'll
Oh
take your word
no.
for it.
Joe's in the bin. He's in gravel.
It's alright, we're
He's still 11. He's still 11.
Are you
first,
twat?
I just started. He's cut the corner. Referee. Bond, I'm taking you out. Whether you like it, why is there a little fly on my screen? Oh, Bond's getting taken out whether he likes it or not.
I saw his name is completely random.
No,
Yeah.
the real drivers.
I reckon,
Those
I
Hamilton's
reckon
doing
one of them is a
fine,
real
though.
driver somewhere.
Sorry to check.
Why does it.
Oh, time.
What is. What?
Yeah, you stinker.
Gave up.
Let's see.
Let's go, Pogs in the chat.
This is horrendous.
You always say you want to play and then you just call it horrendous. Oh, this is horrendous.
Joe, you're so bipolar. It's either horrendous or this is the best
Oh
game
my
You
ever.
don't know how
I've got
you have to
full turn
start
on.
Earlier
wide.
you go,
You have to
F1's so
start
good.
wide and
I
then
love
come
F1.
in.
Oh, I
You're
can't
going to be taken by
Alfie.
Alfie as well. Start wide.
I've got
then
full
come
turn
in,
on.
then go back wide.
Joe, I can't believe this, man.
Yes.
Oh,
I've
let's
literally
go,
got
baby.
full turn on. I've got a red front wing.
Yeah, because
What lap are you all on?
We're done.
Oh,
How about you shush burger?
Die.
Wow, this corner's mad.
hit like stuff. It's like whoa.
Oh, slow.
Oh, that was terrible corner.
Don't cut the corners. Don't cut the corners.
Invalidated
Invalid
lap
lap
time.
time. Corner gutter.
Brilliant.
Does that
Oh,
mean I'm
you
not
are
gonna-
dumb.
Is it not going to count now?
No, you're going to be 20.
No, nothing you do.
Well, I hope I'm 19th, Alfie. It's a terrible corner, really, isn't it?
I know.
Badly
Oh, that's
designed.
so annoying. I shouldn't do
This is
that.
the one I was on
Should
about,
go.
by the way.
Oh, you know what? I'm just
Yeah,
going to cut every single
This is
corner.
I won on this one. And I want to get some
He's right.
What is that corner about? Why is that one?
Oh, this corner's horrific.
dinner, Petrie.
Oh fuck! I've got invalid lap time.
Yes.
You know what? I'm doing
I literally,
donuts.
my wheel stuck outside the thing for like 1 bit, and I was like, nope.
Yeah, it is a bit bullshit, man. I swear it's strict.
Why can't I do donuts? Why am I sticking to the track so
Why
much?
can't I do donut?
All I'm trying to do is
So I thought
donuts.
this was the one you were going to win.
Oh, I crashed into a wall.
I just want to do donuts.
First, yeah, shit.
What? Oh, my wheels come off.
Just get retired from the session. What does that
Wait,
mean?
can I not play all now?
No, you can. That's what happened to me last time. Oh yes, Will.
We've all been disqualified. Hey, Sam just crashed so we can...
Wait, Alfie's disqualified.
Yeah.
I think I was so
Oh yeah, I was gonna say that. I
Sam
thought you got
crashed, so
disqualified
we can
first. Sam, you're such a fucking neek.
You are such a little try. I'm not...
I forgot
Yeah?
what events.
Yes, mate.
I'm going to try and crash into as many people, especially you guys.
I'm not. I'm just. Oh, I don't. Well, please don't let me. Oh fuck. If I get
Who's
disqualified,
17th? Is it Josh? Oh, it is. No.
Just
Well, Will-
let go
oh,
of A
Alfie's
when
gone.
it goes, the lights go.
Josh hasn't gone.
Fuck off, man. I've actually shagged it.
Innit?
Will, did you get
I
disqualified?
literally
At
just
least you're not
told you what
disqualified,
to do.
though. Put it that way.
No, I didn't get disqualified.
I've
I
been
just went to
disqualified. I've been
Alfie, what are you
disqualified.
doing? What are you doing?
I've been disqualified.
I've just taken so many
Ow.
places just for cutting the corner.
Say, what
For
didn't even
what,
get bumped for
Alfie?
it.
All rules.
Didn't even get
Yeah,
bumped.
but Will, you started early.
Let's get him
I know, I stopped so.
We've still got
Why
these
did you have
bullshit
to
settings.
do
We
that?
got Alfie. We've got
Josh.
bullshit settings on.
Josh,
But
stop.
what did you get disqualified for?
Who's hitting me? I hope you die. Josh!
Yeah, but there's no instructions.
Okay.
There's the red lights in there.
Yes, there is.
Oh,
Literally
that's a
Mate.
instructions.
hefty hit.
Bottom right.
Oh, it's alright. It's alright, it's only a caution.
I'm just taking someone out.
I am top 10 at the moment, just to let you know. I'm 7th.
This guy better not cut me off.
You're top 10, Will.
I'm top 10.
Ow.
Josh!
I'm,
How much did
I'm,
you jump the start?
I'm 8th. Oh my god, no, I just
How
spun
much
out.
did you-
Why?
Oh,
I
I
nearly
saw
just
you.
ran
I just
out.
saw your little white knot just oh my god. It's so great.
I'm not top 10, I'm 11th. I'm almost top 10.
Oh, you will, you're only 2 places behind me, bud. Doesn't make sense
that's
now.
so
Oh, Josh, you're lacking. Who's gone to the pits?
Me. I have to.
Oh,
Makes me.
I don't think you had to yet, did you? Or was it
No,
something
it
like
does.
laptop to do
It's
it? You just do the rest of the race on time, so.
that was a very wide corner from me. It's come out alright. Move! Josh, if you spin
I'm
me
still
out,
not last.
I'm
Alfie, that's
clear.
atrocious. Alfie, how am I still
You'll
not
just spin him
last?
out though, do you?
Because
Oh,
Alfie's...
fuck off.
Let's go.
Me and Schiffer actually shagged it.
Get in, Josh has been done.
I'm good.
I'm pretty sure I don't have a front wing.
Imagine not having a front wing.
Now I'm just gonna fucking pit.
Is
DRS on?
not? Can I just
DRS is
drive
now
straight
on.
into the pits?
Well, for me it is. It'll be.
I can't hear you, hold on. Can I just drive straight into the
Oh my
pit?
god.
Yeah, whenever you want. It'll just stop it for you.
Okay, that's good.
Fuck off.
I like that corner.
Levels on. Get wrecked, you fucking cunt. Shit. Yeah, in a bit, biscuit.
Oh my god, please. I hate cutting corners. So dead.
No, I don't. Right.
Don't do
No,
it.
like... No, I try.
You try and cut corners.
No, I try not to. I just end up doing it anyway.
No, fair enough. What if they say, illegal time gain? Hang about. I have a game time, not fucking shapeshifter.
Oh my god.
That's not what shapeshifters do either.
This guy.
Alfie, I don't think shapeshifters exist, mate, you schmuck. Unless you are a shapeshifter, you fucking alien prick.
These guys.
Oh my god, I'm doing well. I'm in ninth. Let's not jinx it.
Oh, you got the knife. Oh, yours only
Okay,
crash.
I did go to take him, but he just spammed
I'll
me.
be on my own.
I was looking at my fuel, I fucked it.
Good. What place are you in?
I'm still 11th. I fucked it that bad.
Did anyone pit?
Oh, I fully biffed that there.
Are you in this massive pack, Joe?
Ooh.
No, I'm 20. I'm 19.
Are you in this massive pack,
I think
Will?
Will is. Will, what position are you?
I'm 14.
Yeah, Will is. I just saw a massive white blob like a unit.
I have.
Yeah, but you'll still come out before me because you probably don't have a
Yourself.
damage from wing.
No, I came out first.
Huh?
I came out first.
You're such a tryhard. I need to make 7.5 seconds.
Oh, what? Thin air.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got an illegal overtake. Why?
Because my front wing's gone.
Sick.
Can you please play no damage? It's so annoying.
No, it's fun.
Makes it say just.
Well, you spent half your race in the pit.
Josh
How
is in
is it fun?
second. Josh is in second.
Still fun.
What? Spin him out.
You know, he's not anywhere near me, but he's he hasn't pitted, so.
Take 9th. 8th.
Alright, we're in the pits. This is crucial to my race. Well, I need the pit crew on. Look at them running out. Come on, lads. Come on, lads. Come on, lads. Come on.
Communicating with online services. Please don't.
Yeah, it's
Fuck,
doing
I'm
that to me.
third. Fuck, I'm gonna be fourth.
That were a lovely overtake.
Where did you
fourth.
start?
You were.
Who's
And,
18, Josh?
I think I'm gonna be
More
7th.
people in the pits.
No,
That's
There
no.
is,
impressive,
there is, there
Phil.
is. I've taken 8th.
No, I'm
Oh.
gonna be 9th.
I've just overtook Josh.
Oh, Joe,
I'm
just
gonna be
ahead
10th.
of Josh.
This is where I become a king.
Joe is just ahead of Josh. That's really
Yeah, but I have a
interesting.
time penalty of 3 seconds.
So do
probably
I.
have
Even
one.
more interesting.
I do as well. I reckon your race is in danger, Sam.
Oh, no, 35
Shit, I wasn't
seconds
looking. I can't not look at the screen. Otherwise, I'm in the bin.
Just look at the face cam and play. Close
Are you
Maybe I
close
can
to
take
him,
him.
Josh, yet? Are you close
Yep.
to Joe?
No, he's even further away.
No,
Oh, no,
I'm
he's
not.
not. He's closer, but I'm a place ahead.
Oh,
Yeah,
Might. Oh, that was horrendous from me.
relapse.
Josh is behind me.
Right. Like, to be honest,
Josh,
I've
don't.
done wonders.
Josh, don't.
Where are you, Will?
13.
Jeez.
Thanks. Oh.
Where are the others?
I knew you wouldn't.
Where are you, Josh? Oh, you can catch him up. You can catch him up. Well,
7th.
Yeah, mate, it's on him.
oh, have you ever taken Joe?
Josh, instead I had a collision with you. When?
We didn't touch each other.
No.
Roll it, man.
Oh, that is an L. Although I like how it keeps driving on this game for you.
No, 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 no,
Yes!
no, no.
Joe back ahead.
Yep. Josh just spun off, and it was bad.
Well,
It's
Will,
fine, Sam.
we're
Yeah,
gonna
it's
get out of
actually
here.
fine. It's actually fine.
Oh no.
Just change the
Head of my
setting.
pack.
How is Josh back?
My head
What?
of my pack.
Just change the setting on the mic.
How is Josh back?
Oh, go on, Joe. Hold it on.
Josh just made me crash. Josh, I hate you. You didn't even get done for that. Josh, just you wait.
That's what
Wait,
it is.
it actually worked. It actually worked. Well, it don't work, but...
Fucking
Feel like
fucking cunt.
Feel like my
I
turns
like
on
to-
the screen.
Gosh, I actually am sorry.
Concentrate.
I didn't even mean to do that.
Mate, it's fine. You're in the bin. I've got a comfortable thing now.
I'm not
ready
boxed.
for
You got disqualified on the last one.
you. Go on, go on, go on. Fuck, I'm sad.
Top 10.
What a freaking noob.
That's depressing.
I need to take this
I
down.
did. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
Oh, I think it's
Take
going
seven,
wide.
take
You're
seven.
not allowed to go wide on
Guys, thanks for watching. Clearly, I'm the best racer here, and Sam's
This is the
shit.
deadest video in its
Au revoir.